Spark is ages 4 to 6, and we start off with Montessori.
So a day in the Spark studio looks like they arrive, we start around 8:30, and we have which we call a launch.
It's a 15-minute sort of Socratic discussion, kind of on a smaller level because they're little.
And that is just a little thing where we do either storytelling or they watch a video about something that we're dealing with. Right now we're doing the human body. So we might do something like what we put in our bodies and how it affects us. And then we have challenging questions that we ask them. And then they take it on. We ask the question, but they're leading the discussion. They're talking about whatever, discussing whatever topic we're working on. And they just answer questions and have conversation back and forth. And we just kind of guide them through that process. So that's the 8:30 to like 9. Then they go outside, or we may do meditation for like 10 minutes. After that, from 9 to 11, they're doing their e-platforms or Montessori.
And then we would break for lunch, free time. And afternoon is quest work on certain days. And then we do some language arts on the other days.
After that, they have studio maintenance, where we have little jobs that they do to clean our studio. Then we have free time. We probably have like 3 free times in a day, and like maybe 2 or 3 studio cleans in a day. We also have what we call shout outs at the end of the day, where the learners get to shout out, and the guides also shout out to people that have helped them or done something great or anything like that. So that's always important.
And then we end our day with kind of shalom, and our day is ended and we dismiss.